guys, how's it going? You know, if Google is a tool that you use every day, you might be interested to know that you can make money from it with a really simple trick that not a lot of people know about. The internet offers a wealth of possibilities for money making, and some people are raking in the big bucks employing this trick without any technical skills, without any special equipment, and from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection, either a smartphone or a personal computer, the writing skills of a 6th grader, and the willingness to do a little bit of work. And if all of those are things that you have or are willing to do, then stick around because this video is for you. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. If you're looking for ways to reach financial freedom, then welcome, you've come to the right place. My goal is to keep offering you strategies and resources to help you crush all of those goals, and it's also exactly what I talk about day in and day out on this channel. So if that's something that you want for yourself, then do make sure that you join our growing community by leaving me a like, a share, a comment, and tapping on the subscribe and notification bell below. With that said, let's go make some money! The very first thing I want you to do would be to type in news.google.com on the Chrome search bar over here, and it should take you to this page that displays all of the top news stories in your location. As you can see, there are different news categories available, and as these are the top news stories in Google, you can bet that these were thoroughly researched and then written by top and professional journalists. So what I want you to do is select any article, anything that you prefer, copy a paragraph or the whole article even, and then move on to the next platform, which is also step 2 in this strategy. That platform is called Spinbot, and it's essentially a paraphrasing tool or content spinning software that you can use to rewrite any pre-written text into additional human-readable text. It's really easy to use, and as you can see here, there are 2 boxes before you. The first one is where you can paste your text, and the second box is where the rewritten text should appear. Now, the great thing about this tool is that besides being 100% free to use, you don't really need to download anything, and you don't even need to sign up for an account. You can simply use it online as you please. Of course, as a free tool, Spinbot does also have its limitations, and I will suggest a better option to you later on in this video for when you're already making money. But for now, let me show you how and where you can use your paraphrased articles to generate some real money for yourself. And this brings us to the third platform and step for this strategy, and it's another website called Textbroker.com. So on the Textbroker homepage, you can click on this part where it says I write content if you want to take a look at how much money you can expect to make here before you sign up. As you can see here, the rates range from 0.7 up to 5 US cents per word, and this will depend on how good your article is and what grade you get. Don't worry, because the news sites that you're basing your articles on, as well as the paraphrasing tool that you'll be using for this strategy, should allow you to get 4 to 5 stars per article that you submit, which, based on their rate calculator over here, will allow you to earn all the way up to $600 for a 12,000 word article that receives a 5-star rating from the Textbroker team. Guys, this amount is insane considering the amount of time and effort that you'll need to spend working this gig. It's practically zero. Textbroker is also completely free, and you're allowed to work independently at your own pace. And this allows you to earn as much as you want, depending only on your level of commitment to get this to work. There's no limit to the number of articles that you submit, and the payouts are done weekly with a low payout threshold of only $10. Besides Textbroker, you can try this other freelancing website called Scripted, which you can find on scripted.com. To start, you'll need to create an account by clicking on the Become a Writer button over here and then Apply button over here. What's great about this platform is that it has clients across 37 different industries, and it claims to have paid over $1 million to its freelance writers in 2020 alone. It's also super flexible and you can choose to take on as many writing gigs as you're able to. And considering how you'll be using a secret weapon to help you out with this, it should be easy as pie and really quick to complete too. Payment is made 15 days after the job is accepted without you needing to make any requests, which is super convenient. And because I really do want you guys to succeed, let me share a third platform that you can use as a freelance writer and submit articles in. And it's called iWriter, which you can find on iWriter.com. So again, you know what to do. Start by creating a free account, select the niche that you want to write in, and start submitting articles. You get paid as the articles are approved in the iWriter platform, and there will be different writer levels. You start off in the standard level, move up to premium, progress to elite, and then elite plus. The amount you receive per article that you submit will depend on your level. For example, for a 2,000 word article that you submit, you can make $15.50 in the standard level, $33 in the premium level, $44 in the elite level, and $145 in the elite plus level. If you're paying close attention, you'll probably remember what I said at the beginning of this video, that you will need to have the writing level of a 6th grader. And that's because while Spinbot will work, it does not use any advanced article spinning technologies like its competitors do. And because of this, you'll definitely need to do some manual checking in terms of grammar and sentence construction. With the writing level of a 6th grader, you'll be able to check for grammatical errors and if the sentence construction makes sense. I also mentioned earlier that once you start making money working this gig, you can consider other paraphrasing tools. There are other ones out there that are upgraded versions of Spinbot and definitely much more reliable in terms of the quality of work. The catch is they're not free. But hey, if you're making money, you can consider the subscription to the service as a business expense. I would recommend Spin Rewriter as a great option for this. The content that it's able to produce is amazingly human-like, and despite the service fee, it has close to 200,000 subscriptions. From what I understand, its technology first understands the context of the original copy before rewriting it so that it logically spins these sentences into new words but keeps the overall meaning of the content intact. So you can choose between their monthly plan at $47 or their annual plan at only $77. Now, whether or not you decide to go for Spin Rewriter or Spinbot, the idea is to sign up in different platforms and keep churning articles left and right. This will allow you to build multiple income streams without much effort. And as always, guys, I urge you to not just watch my videos and forget about them. To really make them count for something, you need to take action. Right after watching this video, you can actually check out the 3 platforms that I shared with you and sign up as a writer already. Taking that first step should help propel you forward and into action, which is essentially what you really need to achieve financial freedom. If you want more money-making ideas, well, you're in luck because we post several videos every week just for our subscribers. And speaking of subscribers, if you haven't yet, then please make sure that you hit the subscribe and notification bells below. Also, let us know what kind of content you want to see next. I do read each and every one of your messages and appreciate all of the comments and suggestions that you leave. Thank you for being so engaged. It really does motivate me and keep me going. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one.